guys, and welcome to another video on Jay's Workshop. Today I'll be showing you how to change the drop links or stabilizer bars on a Fiesta MK7. So what we need to do, one second, we're just gonna spray some WD-40 penetrating fluid on there and a bit on the bottom one as well, which is okay right here. I'm gonna let that soak in. Oh, you might be wondering why the wheel and everything's already off. I've just done the disc and pads on here, so if you want to know how to watch my video on the brake disc and pads. So I'm just going to let that penetrate through and then we'll tackle taking it out. Okay, so what we need is a 15mm socket. Just bang it on there. And then we're just going to, because we're removing it and I'm using an impact bar, should come, impact driver should come off fairly easy. The bottom one off as well, which is located here. So I'm just going to put my nut on there now. I'm going to use a flexi socket to get in there, otherwise it's a very difficult place to get. So to get the bottom one off, you need a 15mm socket, you need a wobbly adapter, you need a small extension as well, and you need your ratchet right here. And then as you can see, you can get to it. So it's coming off now. If you find that it's just spinning and it's not coming off, you can put some grip mold pliers in here and hold that the metal bar inside, and then that'll prevent it from spinning around. So I've removed this out now, just had to use a pry bar to wedge it out. And as you can see, this is completely knackered. Look, I can just move it so easily. Both sides, it's completely shot. So now we're gonna get the new ones, which are in this box. I'm just gonna compare it, make sure it's the right size. Perfect. So I'm just going to open this packaging and I'm going to start replacing. So I'm just taking off the two self-tapping nuts with my hands, and all we're going to do is line this back up into here, and as you can see, the bottom one looks like it doesn't want to go in. It's completely off from there, it's way down, so you have to pry this with a lever bar. Actually what we'll do, put a nut on the top temporarily to hold that one in place. Okay, so what I had to do is put a pry bar in here and lever it just off the CV joint rod, and you just push down on it and then you can manage. As you can see, I managed to get the bottom one in now, otherwise it's really hard. So now I'm just going to put the bolt on here as well. Bottom one, and I'm gonna tighten these up. So there's two ways about this. You can use an Allen key in the middle, and then you need to have like a spanner on the outside, and you can tighten up that way. Or because these are new and it's going to be a one-time thing, I might just impact drive it on. It'll be much easier and quicker. So yeah, I ended up tightening that up and I lost the footage with the impact driver. But you could, like I said, you could use an Allen key and a spanner to tighten up also. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe.